Today we're diving into the rugged world of the Rite in the Rain Monsoon Command Desk, a 13 by 9.7-inch marvel designed for those who brave the elements. Crafted from tough, waterproof TPU material, this command desk is your ultimate companion for keeping documents safe from harsh weather and years of wear and tear. Its watertight welded seams and joints ensure that your paperwork stays dry even in the heaviest downpour, while the rust-resistant clamp securely holds your documents in place, making it perfect for fieldwork. Windy days are no match for the elastic sheet retention strip, which locks your sheets down, allowing you to work confidently without the fear of losing important pages. The command desk features two water-resistant zippers that open fully, letting it lay flat for easy access, and two exterior pen holders ensure your writing tools are always within reach. With a sturdy webbed handle for a secure grip and a rear hang loop for convenient storage, this command desk is designed for both comfort and functionality, making it an essential tool for anyone who needs to work on the go. So, whether you're battling the elements or simply need a reliable workspace, the Rite in the Rain Monsoon Command Desk has got you covered.